think if I had a longer barrel it might help, but I don't know. We're gonna use a 3 ram set, 3 out of 5 power. Sounded like a phone. But arrows are loaded in, they got a washer on the back. Load up. We'll go right at the spine. I'm gonna do it in slow-mo. We'll see if we can catch anything with it. Oh, like antlers. Oh, damn! Pretty easy to take out, huh? And I guess that hole ain't too bad. Arrow's just fine, right?
Oh yeah.
How's all that? What a silly deer. Oh, I see. All right, let's get him again.
Ready?
Yep. Fire when ready.